So in this video, I will be requesting a payout for MyFundedFutures. This is the first ever futures prop firm that I'm actually using. I did send a poll literally on my Instagram at Sally's Advice. If you're not following me already, follow me on there. Asking people what is the best prop firm to use. It was either MyFundedFutures, Top Step, and one other one, Apex Trader or Apex something. And most people said MyFundedFutures, so I literally just went with MyFundedFutures. Pretty smooth. I went with their like starter account because I think that's probably the most popular. I'm not too sure. But literally, I've been trading futures for about 2 weeks, completely from scratch. Like I know nothing about futures, so I had to learn about contracts and everything like that completely as a beginner. And I passed the first challenge phase in about 3 days or so, or 2 days. And then I had a live, and then I had to meet the minimum trading days, etc. I would have had this payout a lot earlier, not a lot, but a couple days earlier. But one thing to know about futures for anyone who is just starting, I had a consistency rule. On one of the days, so if you look at my track record, on one of these, I think this day here, the 7th, I had more than my minimum. So I need to make 40% of my overall balance max, and I made a bit too much basically. So what they do is they cap you from how much you can make. You can't really make that much money. That's what's annoying. So you can see this is a 50k account. I'm only making like, you know, $100 here, 200 here, because they cap you on being able to make that much. In fact, I didn't even know I was capped in terms of contract sizes. I had to reach out to support. The support is amazing, by the way. This isn't sponsored or anything, but the support is quite amazing. They responded super quick, very straightforward, answered my question. But it was an issue where I was capped at one con. I couldn't take more than one contract per trade. So it just meant that I was making pennies, really. Especially if you're trading on like the 1 minute time frame, you're not really getting that much movement, which is kind of what I was trading for most of these, my 1 minute strategy that I've been posting recently on my reels, etc. So we kind of smoked this with a 1 minute, pretty much winning days overall. I lost on this day. Now, one big tip I would give, if I can just give one thing, it would be whenever you are trading on futures, because on Forex you're used to setting a stop loss. On futures you have to set a buy limit and a sell limit. Those things, that's what you used to get out of a trade if you just want to leave it and forget it. But I kept forgetting to remove it every single time. I wasn't used to it. So when I win a trade, I'll end up losing the next trade because I had the sell limit still set, and when price retraces, it would enter me into another trade, and then that trade might lose, and then I have to make the money back. So it was a pain. It was a pain because I did that at least 4 times. I'm not kidding. So I would win a trade and lose, or I would lose a trade and then I need to make it back. And it was just, yeah, it was kind of annoying. So remember to always remove it. Remember, always remove it, because that can really mess you up big time. But overall, I actually had the 5 minimum winning days that are required of me, and then I had to take the 6th day, which is why I had to make a cheeky $60 real quick, just to make sure I can actually request a payout, because it didn't allow me to. So the rules are definitely a lot more strict. It's definitely a lot more annoying overall to trade futures. But I think if I get the expert account next, which I think most people say that's the best one for MyFundedFutures. But yeah, I'm literally brand new to futures, so I guess it's just the way I trade works on Forex and futures. I literally start futures, apply the same thing, everything was just perfect. In fact, it was even better for the 1 minute because bro, no spreads and stuff is just beautiful. It was so easy to trade, I would say. Less things to worry about. The movements were pretty, super nice. So yeah, overall this was pretty smooth. It's just once you know how to trade, you can really trade anything. If I'm being honest, maybe not options because I don't know how options work, but maybe to be honest. But everything is just rinse and repeat, keep the strategy the same and paste it onto the next thing. Yeah, so this is the certificate for the first account that I got. I literally passed this on the 1st, not on the 3rd. But let's actually request this payout. Let's see how the process works. 100% profit share as well for up to 10k, which is nice actually. What's it gonna ask me? So I need to put in 477. Hold up, 477. I've made a Rise account already, so I did that ahead of time. And then I just need to put my Rise email in there. The requests have been submitted. Now I'm gonna wait. I'll probably let you guys know how long it takes. Right now the time is 9:32 on the 16th of Jan. We'll see how long it takes for them to pay me out, and then I'll let you guys know how the process went. They don't know who I am. It's not sponsored or anything. So if I don't get a payout, I'll let you guys know. If I do get a payout, I'll let you guys know. But overall, pretty smooth process. I guess we'll see how long it takes in a second. All right, so a few hours has gone by now, and the time is currently 3:07. So it's been a few hours. The payment has gone through. I just got an email saying you have just received 477 from MyFundedFutures. Now you might remember that I actually had, I think, 577 as my profit in those 5 days. or 6 days, but they kept $100 basically. So this is something that you guys need to know. But yeah, anyway, they did pay out anyway. That's one thing I'll confirm. I have received the money, so everything's all good. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.